How to make a video using Flow Studio. So in here, you can see your flowgpt.com or your Flow Studio. So just head over and describe your story. So for example, I'll just put in here, I was walking in the dark, then a dog bite. So as you see, this is my story. So you can also click on this character right here in order to add in here a customized character. You have in here this character is from anime. So you can head over and then just choose which one. For example, I head over and then choose Batman right here and click on confirm. Now this character will be walking in the dark and then a dog will bite them. So click on this generate right here, and as you can see, this will generate this story. Now, in here, you just need to head over right here to your creations in order to see this. As of right now, it is still loading, but once it's done loading, it should be able to show you the video that has been created on Flow Studio using the story you have added earlier. So that's how you make a video using Flow Studio. Hope we help.